And it's a long journey. I was in Sunnybrook a couple weeks ago due to a chest pain starting from my left shoulder going on my arm and my neck, left side. And they basically gave me Tylenol and Motrin to take for the pain. Nothing worked. Somebody referred me to here, and it's been great because the pain in my shoulder is gone. I have more mobility in my neck, no more arm pain, and it's just smooth sailing. It's really a godsend. No pain. It's actually surprisingly comfortable. And after the adjustment, you feel so much relief on any tension you have in your lower back or neck.